Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable the Clear History when LibreWolf Closes feature on Windows. This is a great way to ensure that your browsing history, cookies, and other data are automatically cleared every time you close the browser. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your LibreWolf browser. Next, click on the menu button in the top right corner of the browser. From that menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the History section. Check the box that says Clear History when LibreWolf Closes. This will make sure your browsing history is wiped clean automatically every time you close the browser. To customize exactly what gets cleared, click on the Settings button next to the checkbox. A new window will pop up with options to choose from, such as clearing history, cookies, temporary cached files. Select what you'd like to clear every time the browser closes and click Save Change. Now, your history will be cleared automatically each time you close LibreWolf, and that's it. Now you know how to enable the Clear History when LibreWolf Closes feature on Windows. It's a simple but effective way to keep your browsing private and your data secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.